we got something special. It's cooking time. Please welcome our young chef, Rachel. Rachel, tell us what we are cooking today.
Today we're making serniki. They're really tasty and easy to make.
That sounds wonderful. Let's dive in.
These are the ingredients: cottage cheese, egg, some flour, and milk. Let's dive in. You mix cottage cheese, then you crack 2 eggs. Then we're going to pour a little bit of flour, just not too much. And now we're going to pour some milk. Let's mix. When you're mixing, you need to mix very big with big circles. Make sure not to leave any air balls behind. Make sure you mix all the flour into the milk. Otherwise, you have dusty treats. After mixing, you shape them into little pancakes and fry them until they're golden brown. That's it. After frying them, they should look like this. They smell like donuts. I really want to taste them now. So let's invite our hosts back, Amelia and Nikita.
Whoa, they taste delicious and simple enough to make at home. Thank you for showing us, Rachel. We're doing a blindfold taste test. We've got Jeremiah and Victor to test their taste buds. Are you guys ready? Now let's get ready for our next fun activity. We're doing a blindfolded taste test. We got Jeremiah and Victor to show their taste buds. Are you guys ready? You'll be blindfolded and we'll give you different school lunch to taste. Your job is to guess what it is. Sounds fun, right?
Ready?
Can't wait. Guess what it is?
Goldfish.
Next is Jeremiah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Bite. Guess what it is?
Cheese stick.
Correct. Victor, you're next.
No, Rachel, don't give me soup. Tomatoes.
Correct. Okay, Jeremiah, you're the last. Open your mouth.
Soup.
Correct.
We love the food at Sunshine.